In this video, we're going to show you how we make use of the entire fish. Here I am filleting the papio or Omilu that our friend from at Fish Hawaii caught the other day. So I'm going to remove the fillets, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the meat from the fillets for fish nuggets. So we're going to make some panko deep fried fish nuggets dipped in tempura batter. So I move the fillet. You can take a look. Nice white meat there. So what I'm doing is, now after I remove the second fillet, I take a spoon and I'm scraping the meat off of the bones. This way we use everything in the fish. So you just take your time, scrape it with the edge of the spoon, and it almost becomes like a little fish paste. So you can see that I've pretty much taken everything off the skeleton. So I put that in a cup, and now what I'm doing is I'm chopping up some white onions. And the key to this is we need to chop them very fine. Some people like them in bigger pieces, but I think for this dish, when the meat is scraped off the bones and it's a little softer, the finer you cut them, the better it comes out. So I'll put that in. Then I'm going to add some sesame oil. I just eyeball it. Some Ponzu sauce. I like to add the Ponzu sauce because it gives it a nice citrusy taste. Now for the salt, I'll add a little bit of shoyu. I don't use Hawaiian or rock salt here because the meat is so fine, it absorbs the taste of the sauce very quickly. Stir it up, and that's it. And here's what we made with it after. We made some nice sushi. And that's how we make use of all of the meat of the fish that we catch.